Hello everyone! Welcome to my vlog again. And pasensya na kung puro pagkain na lang tong vlog ko guys. Sobrang hindi ko kasi talaga kumain. Lalo na sa mga sangyup, ganyan. Paano ba naman, hindi mo naman ako mayayaya sa inuman guys. Sangyupan mo lang ako mapapa-oo. So anyways, nandito pala tayo sa Gogi Marami, located at Lancaster Hotel along Shaw Boulevard, Mandaluyong City. So malapit lang to sa pinagtatrabuhan ko guys, sa WCC. At kung matatandaan ko nga, tuwing cut-off talaga, isa to sa mga pinupuntahan namin para magsangyup. So, itong video na to guys is throwback video na lang. Ang nagustuhan ko dito is hindi lang puro sangyupsal meat ang ino-offer nila. Buffet style siya, kaya marami kang mapagpipilian. Fried shrimp and meron ding mga Korean side dishes, vegetables, ramen at iba pang cooked food dishes. May dessert and drink station din, although some drinks are charged separately. So, may self-service buffet din sila, kaya pwede kang kumuha ng meat, side dishes, and condiments whenever you want. And for the price nung time na operational pa itong branch na to, their published rates were around $599 for weekly lunch, I think, and $649 for weekly dinner. While weekends, holidays were around $649 as well. So, may additional rate din for solo dinners and may discounted rates for kids as far as I can remember. So, considering the variety of the food na makukuha mo, masasabi mo talagang sulit na siya. Kaya kung ikukumpara mo sa ibang sangyupan na mostly meat and side dishes lang, dito marami ka talagang choices. Kaya kahit matagal kang kumain, parang ang dami mo pa rin gustong tikman. Dito nga pala kasama ko yung dating TL ko, kasama ko rin yung mga dating katim ko, pati yung mga ibang heads like SME. Kaya hindi lang siya simpleng food trip, parang bonding na rin to namin. And just a heads up lang guys, I think it's almost 2 years na nung kinuha ko tong video na to, or more than a year. Na-stock lang talaga siya sa gallery ko. And so ngayon, naisipan ko lang siya i-vlog para ma-share ko naman sa inyo yung experience. Better late than never nga, diba? So unfortunately guys, as far as I know, close na yung Gogi Marami at Lancaster Hotel branch. I'm not sure kung ano yung exact reason kung bakit sila nagsara, pero sayang talaga yung, based on my experience, 10 out of 10 talaga siya sa akin. Anyway, hanggang dito na lang muna guys, and thank you so much for watching, and see you guys again on my next vlog. Bye!